Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Gabriel Santana Santana, ID number 1414134, and during this video I'm going to read a list of introductory terms about phonetics and phonology. I hope you enjoy it. So we are going to start with language. Language, a system of conventional spoken, manual, signed, or written symbols by means of which human beings, as members of a social group and participants in its culture, express themselves. The function of language include communication, the expression of identity, play, imaginative expression, and emotional release. So the next term is linguistics. Linguistics, the scientific study of language. The word was first used in the middle of the 19th century to specify the difference between a newer approach to the study of language that was then developing and the more traditional approach of philology. So the following term is phonetics. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics that comprises the study of the sounds of human speech. It involves the physical properties of speech sounds, their physiological production, acoustic properties, auditory perception, and neurophysiologic status. Phonetics studies everything related to the production and perception of human speech sounds. And it's divided in three. So the first one is articulatory phonetics. Is the study of how speech sounds are produced by the human vocal apparatus. The second one is the acoustic phonetics. It studies the sound waves made by the human vocal organs for communication. And the other one is the auditory phonetics, the study of how speech sounds are perceived by ear, auditory nerve, and brain. So let's continue with the next one, that is phonology. Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in a natural language. Phonology is just one of the several aspects such as phonetics, morphology, syntax, and pragmatics. Okay, the fifth term that we have here is phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest contrastive unit in a sound system of a language. Also we have allophone, the next one. Then the allophone is a phonetic variant of a phoneme in a particular language. We have minimal pairs, two words that vary by only a single sound. So for example, we have rip versus lip, hug versus duck, car versus car, trunk versus truck, no versus now. A homophone. So the homophones are words sharing the same phoneme parent and pronunciation. For example, we have night and night, buy and buy, see and see, sell and sell, and so on. So the next one is going to be homograph. So homographs are pair of words that spell the same but do not share the same pronunciation. For example, live versus live, record versus record. Okay, now I'm going to continue reading the definition of diagraph. A diagraph is a drawing instrument combining a protractor and scale. The other one is the alphabet. It's a system of signs or signals that serve as equivalents of letters. Also we have the phonetic alphabet. It's a phonetic notation system that uses a set of symbols to represent each distinct sounds that exists in human spoken language. And we have the articulators, that they can be passive and active. Articulators are the organs or physiological structures that produce speech sounds. They can be passive articulators and they can be active articulators. The passive articulators remain still. Active articulators move to produce sounds. Passive articulators include the upper lip, the teeth, the alveolar ridge, the hard palate, the soft palate, glottis, uvula, and pharynx. The active articulators include the tongue and lower lip. So basically this has been all for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you can learn as much as I did. So have a great one. It's been a pleasure. Bye bye. See you next time.